Hi, my name is AlexanderGalushka2min, and today I'll be talking about AWS CloudTrail service. What is CloudTrail? CloudTrail is the web service that allows you to get the history of all AWS API calls, the related events for your account. So what CloudTrail records? It records the API call, it records who made the call, it records when and where the call was made, and there is associated resources with that API call. And the data is stored in a log file in a JSON format in an S3 bucket that you configure specifically for CloudTrail service. How you access the CloudTrail service? You go to console, you click on the CloudTrail icon, you have a GUI that in a few clicks away and you configure the service. It allows you to SNS it. Basically, you can get a notification when the log file is available, so you can process it easily. The files, log files, can be found in a bucket, and then it's a representation of a few of those files in the bucket here. I was working on the CloudTrail API specifically. I was creating a CloudTrail. I was using EC2 and buckets creation and termination of EC2s and my API calls. That all been done programmatically. And then I was looking in those files manually in S3 bucket, as well as I was creating SNS notification and polling for the messages and processing the events using this special library that recently Amazon put together called Amazon CloudTrail Processing Library. So this is really useful for production. You can troubleshoot the events on the fly. Also, it's pretty useful for setting up compliance and taking care of your security issues, checking the breaches and stuff like this. So this is the output I was getting from this library. I was using the logger, Java logger, to get the data in Eclipse console. There were a few challenges of the project, so basically the lack of documentation, the slow tech support of AWS, but I was able to figure it all out, so it's good. Thank you so much. If you have questions, let me know.